It's loud.
It is very loud, but that's okay.
It's loud all the way. Car wash, Capital One, people. But that's not what we're worried about, right? It's Joe Nasty. It's Jimmy. We are at Giselle's Creole Restaurant. Giselle Creole Restaurant. It's 2407.
We gotta do better with this.
This is tough. Every time. Every time. You stay right here.
Yeah,
You stay right here.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. This we better.
She's not in there.
No.
Yeah, she's not.
We gotta
Get your
move.
phone.
Okay.
Get your phone.
It's okay.
It's-
It's no.
2407. I see the road, but I can't see something in Georgia. Georgia Avenue and did you get it? Can you lend a nigga a pencil? You're not spelling it right whatsoever.
No.
Oh yeah.
There it
okay.
is.
2407 Price Avenue, Silver Springs, Maryland. We're in Maryland, outside of DC, just south of Baltimore. B-more.
All right, and we're gonna go ahead and figure out whether or not this is good shit.
Okay, because we like good shit. And who would have thought? Personally, we think all Haitians live south of anything that's Georgia. Under Georgia, everything's Haitian.
And then New York,
Boston,
yeah, Montreal.
I didn't think that. I didn't think that Maryland would have had any Haitians. But we're gonna see what the food like.
But I got a whole red snapper fried, all right, with the D Corley and the Mac. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do 2 pull-ups for y'all.
You gonna pull mine up too?
Nah, nigga.
Okay.
Ooh, hold up. Oh God. Hold on. Ain't done yet.
Yeah, take your time.
One more. One more.
Oh, that looks incredible. That's a good presentation.
Oh God.
Yeah, did they get that? Did you get that?
Oh, they got that.
All right.
So,
you know me, nothing fancy. I do the OG. I got the tasso kabui, bun and pizza, white rice. They didn't have John. Okay, so most Haitian restaurants don't have everything you want. Some have everything because they offer minimal. In here was pretty dope, old school type vibe. Reminded me of like a Haitian restaurants in the 80s and 90s. And it's a good vibe. And they serve you on platters, old school kind. They serve you on platters. So, see, Jimmy done dug in already. He don't wait for nobody. I am about to see what they're talking about. Nice lady inside. Food ain't take long to come out. 20 minutes on the head. So I was chilling. Y'all know Jojo's not a white rice guy, but we're gonna see what's up. We're gonna see what's happening. Gotta take my chiclet out. Here we go. I feel like these are like vegan plates. These plates ain't all the way solid.
Listen, let me tell you something. How was the food?
It was good?
It was amazing, wasn't it? 5
Well,
stars? Yes. 1 through 10, what would you give it? 1 to 10, what would you give it?
11. Oh, yeah.
All right.
Thank you. Hold on. Wait a minute. I see where she got that 11 from. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get a bite of this mac too. If your macaroni ain't like a slice of bread, a big thick slice of bread, or cake, if your macaroni can't cut like cake, we gotta talk about something. If I can't hold your mac like this, it's all right, you can pass through, man. You should try this food, Haitian food. It's good. Okay? If I can't pick up your macaroni like a piece of cake or viande, what are we talking about?
Listen, man. I ain't even get to the fish yet. And we already passed 8-5.
What?
I ain't even get to the fish yet. And we already passed 8-5. This is the best rice D. Corleone I done ever had.
May I?
Please. Please.
You said a lot.
This is
I know
the
how you.
best
I know how you feel about Corleone.
D. Corleone I done ever had. I'm getting emotional right now because
Hold on, let me see something.
I'm getting so emotional because you know how I feel about D. Corleone, man.
Did you make the rice? You made it? You made this?
Not me. So you want the chef?
Who's the chef?
You want it? You want to her?
Bring her. Bring the chef here. Bring me the. I'm not a fan of D. Corleone. You understand me? The bun was sweet and got texture on it. Y'all know I don't really vibe with white rice like that. I'm a John John guy. The tasso was so tender. The macaroni, I got better. I get that.
I had better macaroni.
I got better macaroni. But macaroni is a side dish. You don't have to have macaroni with a full complement. That's something you want to do because you want it. Where is she? Where? No, from Bat Bravo. From Bat Bravo. From Bat Bravo. From Bat Bravo.
Vous faites du manger là?
Oh,
This is the best D. Corleone I've ever had in my life.
she's.
That's what no. The best.
You see me, pas tellement aimé du blanc, mais jaune coûte lui là.
Oui, bon.
Oh, est-ce que.
Number one.
Oh, number one. Giselle.
That's your name?
C'est le même que Giselle?
Non.
Wow.
Monsieur Claire Giselle.
But this is incredible. This is good food. This is good shit. This is good. Banana, les douces, dis-le bien cuit. The tasso is tender. Les patois red. Merci un peu. N'a parlé, l'empini n'a parlé. Ok, ma voix les gars. Woo! I know it's a little noisy. Hopefully, you're not getting too much of that. It's a shame we had a trap. Not even a shame. I'll say the fact that we had to travel outside of DC, Silver Springs, I think it's called, Silver Spring, Maryland, to get this kind of food. James ain't even talking. The fact we had to travel to Silver Spring. Hey, bro.
How was the food?
Sorry?
How was the food?
Food was good.
Yeah? What would you rate it 1 through 10?
Sorry?
What would you rate it 1 through 10?
10.
Everybody can't be saying 10 now.
Just making a promotion?
Making a review video. This is Silver Springs.
Yeah.
Thank you. So the fact that we came to Silver Springs and we found this good of food, because the food in Florida is good, but man, I think you gotta separate yourself from all the other Haitians to really turn up.
How was the food?
Awesome.
What would you rate it 1 through 10?
10? What would you say? 1 through 10.
What?
1 through 10.
It is 10. I love it.
Yeah?
I love their stew.
The soup? Yeah. Yeah.
I was not a big fan of their plantain,
No?
but stews were awesome.
Yeah.
Good, man.
Okay. Thank you.
What do you guys do?
Let's do a review video.
Look.
So I think because they're separated from like all the like Haitians, right? Because if there's more Haitians, I think it's easier for you to water down your food. But when you're not surrounded by a lot, you got to keep your standards up. That's what I feel. This food's incredible.
Fish was good. I've had better fish, not gonna lie. But it was very good. I did like it.
What threw you to the side on it?
It could have had a little more oomph. Could have had a little more,
You want some more salt in it?
a little more, not
Alright.
necessarily soft. I like my fish to be spicy,
Okay. All right.
and I like it a little fried harder. It's
A
not
little soft.
Yeah, a little soft, but it's still good though. I like how where she went with it. But the rice, y'all know how I feel about my rice. Mackerel, plantains great. Pickles hot, sauce good. Wait time wasn't bad.
You gonna wait 20 minutes for Asian food no matter what, regardless. What you gonna give me?
Bro, I think about an 8, 7. 8-7, man. 8-7. Cause the rice, the best rice I had, but the mac could have been better. Not saying it was bad, but could have been better. And the fish could have had a little more seasoning.
I'm going. The rice was incredible. Again, I'm not a white rice guy, but the fact that the rice was that good, the sauce was good. Yeah, I've had better macaroni, but again, macaroni is a side dish. It don't gotta be there. So that's me nitpicking. The cow beef was super tender and got flavor on it. Pickles is good. It's not C. Good taste. 8.5. Solid. Good shit. Y'all look. If you in Baltimore, you in Washington D.C., you in Silver Springs, you in the Maryland D.C. area, Giselle.
Hello? Giselle, I was just calling. This is the part of the review where we do a call test. You passed with flying colors. You picked up on the first ring.
And they picked up.
That's amazing.
More bravo. More bravo.
That's great customer service. No, thank you. All right. On the first ring.
On the first ring. And there's customers inside. Each customer that came out had nothing but good things to say. Look, all we're looking for is good shit, good food. If y'all want people to appreciate the food, make it good every time. Don't wait till we pull up and then try to overcook. Because we're never going to tell you when we're coming. Because we want to pull up with you, see how the food is off rip.
My gosh.
And I'm going to put a new thing out there. We can't we can't say it until after the fact the video has happened, but this looks like it has a good after prepared taste. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. The microwave value, like right there. This looks like it has a good microwave value.
Yeah.
Good new category. Microwave.
Sometimes, it's a lot of food. You might not be able to finish it all.
So you got to take a home microwave. Some food, here's the food when you microwave it, it don't taste as good as, or it ain't.
A little dry.
Yeah. This looks like it got good microwave value.
Moisture.
So I'm 8.5. Jimmy said 8.
7.
8.7. Good shit. Giselle's Creole Restaurant, Silver Springs, Maryland, right outside of DC and Baltimore, right in the middle a little bit. So y'all pull up if you in the area. First ring, good customer service. They serve you right on the platter. It's good shit, baby.
Good shit. Wow.
And you still eating.
Bro, are you serious?
Man, I got this swag. My head matching my bag. You know I'm popping tag. But man, I swag when I surf. Now I be surfing swag. I'm on hypnotic, exotic, polo.